everyone, thank you for being back with me today. For those of you who are new, welcome, and for those of you who have been watching my videos but have not hit the subscribe button yet, please hit it right now. I promise you guys, every single time I do a new nail set, they come out better and better, and plus we want you to be a part of our YouTube squad. But anyways, let's get started with today's video. As you guys see right here, I am just going in and applying all of my long tips, and I got all of my tips from Amazon. If you guys are interested in any products in today's video, just check the links down below. I normally link everything I use down there for you guys. But as you see right here, I am going in with a little bit of base coat and applying all of my tips this way and curing them really quickly under my little lamp for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then after that, I do cure it under my big lamp for about 60 seconds. Once all of my tips are applied, as you guys see right here, I am going in with my nail tip cutter and I am just cutting them and then putting them side by side to see if they're the same length. If they're not, I do go in and cut a little bit more if I do need to. But then once I'm done with that, as you guys see right here, I am just going in with my straight nail clipper and I am going in and cutting the sides of my nails. I did want to zoom you guys in a little bit more so you guys can see that more in detail, but I am cutting them in a little bit more of a coffin shape today. So as you guys see right here, I am just going in and cutting a little bit, not too much on the sides, and just kind of creating a little bit of a coffin shape on every single nail. I do want to take some time and wish everyone a happy New Year's. I'm so glad I get to be a part of everyone's New Year's Eve here today. What's everyone going to be up to today and tomorrow? Let me know in the comments down below. So now as you see right here, I am going in with my nail file. I am going in with the side that is 180 grit, and I am just filing the sides of my nails just to make sure that the sides are really crisp and really straight and that coffin shape is really nicely done. So that's what I'm doing here to all of my nails. Once that was done, I did want to show you guys something different that I normally don't do on camera. I normally just don't do in general, but I just thought about this the other day. So I am going in with the side that is 100 on the nail file, and I am just making sure that I'm filing all of my tips this way just to make sure I make them rough instead of smooth. If you guys don't have a nail drill, you guys can do it this way. I normally do it with my nail drill, but I did want to show you guys something different in today's video. Now moving on to the polygel process, as you guys see right here, I will be using this shade Marshmallow that is from the Makartt and Emily Susannah collab. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed with this kit. Honestly, you guys, if any of you are thinking about purchasing this kit, purchase it. Honestly, I will be showing you guys more nail sets with it, but I really am obsessed with everything in this kit, and I really recommend it, like 100,000,000%. Honestly, I really love it. Also, if you guys are interested in this kit or any other product from Makartt, you guys can use my discount code Jenny_Fajes to save 15% off. But anyways, as you guys see right here, I applied my very first bead at the tip of my nail. So this nail will be an ombre nail, so that's why I'm starting at the tip. You guys already know I love doing ombre nails. I love working in sections. I love using my 2-bead method, 3-bead method. If you guys don't know about it, check any of my other videos. You guys will learn it also in this video today. But as you see right here, I like to work in sections because it just makes everything so much easier. The filing later on is so much quicker. Honestly, you guys, I really enjoy and really recommend the 2-bead method as well. But as you guys see right here, just fixing my very first bead, making sure it's not too thick, not too thin, just moving it around. Once I'm happy with that, I do cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds. And I do want to remind you guys, after every single bead that I do fix, I do cure it under the lamp. I don't show it every single time, but I do want to let you guys know that. As you guys see right here, now I'm going in with my Makartt 335. And I will be applying this little bead closer to my cuticle. This is going to be the other end of my ombre nail. So as you guys see right here, I'm going to zoom you guys in just so you guys can see that a little bit more close up. But as you guys see right here, I am fixing at my cuticle first, making sure I don't touch any cuticle. The closer and closer I get to my cuticle, the thinner and thinner I make my polygel. But then once I'm happy around the cuticle, I do move to the other side of my bead and I start blending that out and making sure it disappears into that marshmallow color. As you guys see right here, I'm just going to be moving it up, and the more I move it up, honestly, the more I make it disappear into that color. So you do want to make it thinner and thinner and thinner the more and more you go up. That's how I create my ombre nails. Honestly, it's been the easiest way to create them for myself. I really recommend it to anyone. If you are having trouble or if you guys just want to learn a different method, I really recommend trying this one. Now moving on to my next nail, I will be using this loose glitter in the shade Cotton Candy. This one's like the greenish bluish shade that has the little cotton candy little clouds in it. I really knew I had to use these two colors together with the marshmallow and the cotton candy. I just thought it was going to be so pretty. So as you guys see right here, I'm going in and I'm applying this loose glitter all over my pinky nail. And I had already applied my base coat on here. I just did not cure it. So I am applying all of this loose glitter onto this nail, onto wet base coat. And then I do like to do it this way because once I'm done applying it all over where I want it to be, that base coat is obviously wet. But then once you cure it under the lamp for about 60 seconds, it hardens with that glitter in there. So it will not move at all. But as you guys see right here, I had already applied another bead of my marshmallow color closer to my cuticle. I applied it here because I will be creating an ombre nail on this nail as well. You guys already saw how I did that in my previous nail, so I will let you guys just enjoy that process. But while you guys do, I wanted to ask, what are any goals you guys are setting for 2021? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to know what you guys are setting for yourselves. And for myself, I will be setting my goals to be, one of them is to stay consistent on my nail videos. So I want to keep uploading twice a week. I also do want to add a video or two of makeup tutorials. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments down below. But now, as you guys see right here, I am going in with my Makartt clear polygel, and I will be using this to encapsulate all of that loose glitter on my nail. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, just encapsulating it and just covering the rest of my nail with this polygel. Another one of my goals for 2021 is to work out, which I'm thinking of sharing my journey on IG. If you guys are interested, or if you guys are trying to keep up with my life, just follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Jenny_Fajes. But I do want to keep up with my workout schedule. I want to get fit. I want to stay healthy. But you guys comment down below. I want all of us to share and just converse in the comments down below and just share with each other what everyone's goals are, so we can just hold each other accountable for them. But as you guys see right here, I am going in with a little bit of base coat on my middle finger. So I did not show you guys how I apply my base coat on every single nail, but lately I've been just applying my base coat separately as I go. But I did apply it onto this nail because I am going to be applying loose glitter. As you guys saw, I did not cure my base coat. I cure it once all of my glitter is on my nail. So as you guys see right here, I'm just applying the loose glitter everywhere. As you guys see right here, I am going in with my nude color, and I will be doing the other end of my ombre nail. So I will be doing exactly what you guys saw on my other two nails here. I do want to say I love this kit, honestly, you guys, and I really recommend to anyone who is thinking about purchasing it, purchase it. I really recommend it. I love it. And as you guys already know, I enjoy showing you guys a few nail sets with the same kit because I want you guys to see that you don't have to spend a lot of money on a lot of kits to create different nail sets. So that's why I normally, whenever I have a new kit, I do show you guys 2, 3, 4, 5 different nail sets, because I want you guys to honestly, genuinely see that you do not have to go out there and buy a bunch of kits. I don't buy a bunch of kits. I make a bunch of different nail sets with the same exact kit. So I want you guys to be able to do the same thing. But as you guys see right here, I am going in with my clear polygel, and I am going to encapsulate the rest of this nail. Ring finger, as you guys see right here, I am going in with a little bit of base coat, and I am applying it all over my entire nail and not curing it. You guys already know when I apply my loose glitter, I do not cure it. So as you guys see right here, I'm filling up the entire nail. This nail will be entirely just glitter. It will not be ombre at all. So as you guys see right here, I'm just making sure I fill it all in. I do cure it once I'm happy with that for 60 seconds, and then I will be encapsulating with my clear polygel. And honestly, using this nail kit, it just made me come up with an idea for my birthday nail set. So my birthday is January 5th, which will be next Tuesday, which is the day that I normally upload a video. So I'm so excited to create a nail set with you guys here. I feel like it's going to be super extra and just will scream birthday. I just cannot wait. I have like an idea in my head right now as I'm recording this voiceover, and I just cannot wait to create it and just show you guys what I come up with. was done curing all of my nails, as you guys see right here, I am going in with a little bit of alcohol and wiping off that tacky layer from all of my nails. And then as you guys see right here, I'm going in with my nail file, my 180 side of my nail file, and I am filing the sides of my nails just to make sure that coffin shape is really crisp and really straight. So I did go in onto all of my nails. I am just showing you guys two right here. And then once I was happy with the shape of my nails, I did go in with my nail drill. So as you guys see right here, I am just going to take this to smooth out all of my nail and just make sure that it was all even and really smooth. Now moving on to the rhinestones. So I did go ahead and wash my hands. Once they were all dry, I did come back and I started applying my rhinestone glue onto the nails that will be having rhinestones today. So as you guys see up on my right corner, I did place all of my rhinestones that I will be using on this little card. I normally like doing this just so I know what I'm going to be doing ahead of time, and I do love that this kit comes with rhinestones as well. So I really recommend this kit. It comes with everything you need, but as you guys just saw, I did apply top coat over that rhinestone glue, and then as you guys see right here, I'm just going in and applying all of my rhinestones on those nails here. Finger did not go with any rhinestones, but I did apply top coat, and as you guys see, you can see it go from foggy into really clear, and I just love seeing that. But I do also recommend, whenever you guys use clear polygel, I recommend top coating under your nails as well. So that's what I'm doing here. Once that was cured, I did go in with a little bit of cuticle oil onto all of my fingers. And this is what the nail set looks like, you guys. I'm so obsessed with it. I think it's so pretty. I love how these look. I think they're perfect for New Year's. I'm so obsessed. If you guys like this nail set as well, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As soon as we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be doing another giveaway. So please subscribe right now. But I'll see you guys next time.